should get a bomb on you, start running to the other side. I got this last couple right here. Head over to the other side. Let's get
Run, Fat Boomkin, run.
Bellows on range side.
Every time we say bellows, that means a new side.
Can't fucking click it.
If you can't click it, just stand there, it'll go off.
Yeah, it still goes off.
No, I mean the one that was underneath all the ads.
Hmm. Beth?
We're in a fucking awkward spot right now. We have to end the phase soon. I need
Earth,
to secure
dark.
Here. I'm gonna die.
It's closed, it's ended.
Okay.
Your wish is our command, Master
You
Matt.
were so fucking close there to getting new bellows.
Kill
Holy crap.
Foreman.
It's the best way to do it.
I agree.
Selena's the first one.
Alright, I'm gonna...
Okay, everyone go stack. Just have to think.
Range, clean up the ads.
You guys can pre-dot the Primal Elemental.
Get them out of shields.
Hey, get all of your healing circles on under the primal.
3%, it's going off.
Right, kill it, kill it, kill it.
What are we supposed to do with these bombs that are left over here?
You just dodge them. Drop them away from the raid.
Yeah.
We're gonna shoot.
Should we be coming
We're
in
on
and
track
helping you
for
right
the
now?
kill.
Yeah.
Kill it,
we can,
kill it,
sure.
kill it.
Okay, Reshi, bring it over to the next one right now. Bring your slag over to the next one.
I'm not
Interrupt the slag.
sacrificing the
Execute, execute, execute.
He's gonna die.
Alright, we got it. Good job.
8 seconds left.
Get to the next one.
Get the next flag over.
I'll stack on the new one.
All ranged on ads.
Dude, we have awesome heat right now. This is perfect.
That's it,
Hey,
fuck
get
it.
the slag out of the shield. It's right on top of it.
It has a big blowing up
Yeah.
radius, just saying.
Just everyone's just to the fire callers. There's nothing we can do about that. We can't really get them out and still have them in range.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can.
It's a huge
Alright.
radius.
Okay, I'm
I
bad.
think he's good now.
Yeah, he's good.
It's going off. 3, 2.
Alright, get on it.
Oh, this one.
Just stack if you don't have all the stuff.
We're gonna need a second one on this probably. Oh, we will.
Yeah, that's
the one.
okay.
I just marked the one, or Dark Wolf marked it too. So.
Alright, so now this one,
Push
just
over right now.
Melee's responsibility to finish it. Range, keep cleaning ads.
It's 20%. That's not gonna take very much.
Do not.
Fire colors.
Yeah, fire callers range.
20%. It's exploding.
Can we get that fire caller over here?
So I still.
Alright, we got one at 60%. I'm marking it with a blue square.
Get over to the next one.
Tata, please move in.
%on the slag.
20%. 10%.
Alright, get in the primal soon. Alright, get on the primal.
We're like a
New
minute
fire
ahead
callers.
of last time.
Yeah.
A minute and a half ahead.
We're
of
good,
last
we're
time.
good. Just keep moving. Kill the primal.
Get out of all
I'm gonna
that.
start looking for our next primal.
Earth, get out. Earth, get out.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Trying to kill that elemental. Let's just do
We might be able to get it in this one. Hey, kill it. We might be able to get it in this one. You got
5
10
seconds. Now we're not gonna get it. Just
So close.
get another one.
Alright, we got square marked. Move in, Reshi. It's on you.
There's a shield right on top of it though.
We'll try and get it. That's
No,
not.
there's no shield. There's no shield.
Awesome. Hey, let's him. Oh, you're tranking. Never mind. It's cool. It's cool.
10%.
Range kill these ads. So
8%.
kill these ads.
It's exploding. Primal Elemental is 10.
New ads are
Range.
coming out. Range. Get on it.
I'm looking for next
Just so everyone knows, when we say kill ads range,
Just to left. Move in, please.
we do not mean this.
Get on the new primal. Stack on it.
It's close to. It's at 50%.
Hey Jesse, if we get below 50%, pop your tide if you have it, or Spirit Link, whichever one.
20%.
It's almost down.
It's exploding. Burn, burn.
All right, go ahead and use a blink or something.
Okay, what do we do when this is over?
We finish off the fire colors instantly, and then stack on triangle. I already have a mark on my head.
We need more DPS if we're gonna get it this time.
We're not gonna get. We
Why
don't
can't
want to
you?
get it this time. We don't want to. We don't want to. We just want to drop it low so we can finish off these. This next set of fire colors.
Alright.
Fire colors right now. Range switch right now. Kill these fire colors. We can't get
Death to
another
come.
set.
Death to come move in.
Which slag are we focusing?
There's a square on. It's in a shield though.
Get it out.
He's gonna kick it. I can't. There you go. 40%.
Is that healing? Jesus, that just healed the full fucking health.
That's what he's talking about, hunters. You need to be getting that.
They were getting it the entire time, but then they
They just
decided to
heal
be
again.
fucking horrible when we're this close.
Is that 100%?
Just keep going.
Jesus, come on. No fucking excuse for that.
Just keep going.
We can't kill it this time. We don't want to. I don't mean we can't do it. I mean we
I mean,
literally
we're not gonna be able
don't
to do
want
it, but
to.
I just mean, just keep get it low again.
Ranged on fire collars. Hunters, make sure you are watching that.
All right, we got a slag elemental at 20% right here. It's on Earth Crisis. 10%. It's exploding.
Touch it at these fucking fire collars. Kill these instantly.
Earth Elementalist, or is it 30%? It's gonna die. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fine. We just have to switch to these fire collars melee right when the shit ends.
15%.
We have two fire collars at 30% and 15%.
It's dead.
Kill the fire collars right now.
Bring that boss all the way to blue.
Stand on green. Get on the heart of the mountain. Do not cleave at all. Do not cleave at all. Stand on green. Stand on the green triangle. It's on the fucking fat ass chicken.
Re-hero in 20 seconds.
Remember to let the first tank debuff stand
Get
at
death
the...
up. We have 3 B reses.
Hey,
Oh,
get
yeah.
out, get out. Ceiling, get back, get back.
When can we cleave?
Not that way, not that way. Behind us.
We're not cleaving at all.
Okay, move to the left green. When I call your name, Sapien, run
Move
back,
the boss
run back,
out of the
run
shield.
back.
Move the boss out of the shield.
Keep kiting the boss. Not that
Around.
way. Kite him along the outside edge.
Kite him exactly the way we just came. Pyro, get out, back, behind us, behind us, behind us.
Other way, fuck face.
The
Dude, I
way
don't
we
know.
just came from.
Where are you taking the boss? Take him towards the front door.
The way we just came from. Pyro, get out again, behind us.
Jesse, tide. I see 6 seconds. Whatever you got coming up,
Getting clay up.
or whatever you have. Link, whatever that is. My BLT said you have something coming up.
Just get back if you get melt. Keep us alive. Everyone move up. All range, move up. Pull the boss back farther, towards the door. Me-Star, drop that shit.
Personals.
Pots, everything. Stacking both the tanks.
TK, get back. Everyone move up. Everyone move up. Drop it in corners. Save as much room as we can. Just keep us alive, guys. TK, you got it again. Do not stand in slag bombs. These are slag elementals die. It's not a big deal if they die. Just do not stand in their explosion. You're gonna fuck us. P-Fist, get back. Reshi,
Big
pull
heal
back
from the
farther.
tank.
Pull back farther if you can.
Tough off
Fire break.
Vigilance on Dewberry.
Move him up.
Pull the boss back.
Slag bomb's about to go off.
Use your second pots. Kill this, guys.
Slight
Pull him
bottom
back even
melee, watch
farther.
out.
We gotta save more room, guys, for range. Put them in strategic spots. Please tell me we have a healing cooldown.
We don't.
I have healing and melee.
Zerathor,
Nope.
that was a bad melt.
On the boss.
Keep balance up.
I do.
Fuck!
Hitting you up.
Come on!
Move up.
Bad melt! Jesus! Pay the fuck attention!
It's like I'm going for world first.
Balance.
Keep rolling stacks on Burberry.
Jump the boss if you can.
Just kill him. Just fucking kill him. 4%.
Stand melee.
Good job.
Yeah, see?
That wasn't a good
Fucking
job.
that
We didn't
boss.
deserve that at all.
Balance. Fucking stop it, dude.
No.
Yes. Oh my god, gold again? That's fucking 5 bosses in a row.
Well, I thought it was a good kill, guys.
And roll and gold.
We have healing gods.
You're welcome. Mostly Ada, but you're welcome.
Ada. Fucking dropped 51k. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I was doing like 50% of the fucking fight.
That's how it always is.
TK and you coin pants.
Look at you, TKN. I coined gold for the 5th fucking boss in a row. Congrats, dude.
Did anyone else coin tier besides TKN?
Not that ice.
It's exactly on the range stack. Like, if we're gonna do that, how are we ever gonna kill Myth? I
I
shouldn't
thought you
have
were
to call that
talking
out.
to me because
No,
you can totally,
I wasn't
got the
talking to
first
you.
one,
No, I'm
and
sorry
you
if
can
that
literally
looked that
dump
way.
it in that corner. I can disengage up onto that ledge and literally drop it at
No,
everybody's way.
I wasn't talking about the first ones. I was talking about those last 3. I got
Yeah,
killed
the
by
one that
Melt
started with
twice in a
Zerath.
row. I got died.
Okay, okay, we fucking killed it. Who cares? We killed it in 40 minutes. Jesus Christ.
That, go ahead and give that crossbow to fucking me-star. He needs that bad.
Okay, now we're done complaining. Let's move on.
Dude, I'm sorry, but I'm salty because my fucking mom's bitching at me so hard. Like,
Okay, Paladin, Priest, Warlock, Legs. Go.
My fourth? No, I'm not getting him.
That's your 4 set. Is that your 4 set?
It's my offset.
Oh, that's your off piece?
Yeah, I need the chest.
It's your 2 set? Oh, shit.
one of each.